This is a right knackered P13 USB-IC chip, causing all sorts of signal and power woes. I'm in the middle of pulling out that dodgy IC and slamming in a brand new one. Mind you, it's no walk in the park because of that busted track. Gotta retrace and patch it up, just like I'm showing you right here. One of the most common reasons for the power going bonkers is a battered charging port. Sometimes that port can short a chip out just like this, because them pins inside it decide to have a bit of a kiss, and that can end up roasting things, you see. If you fancy our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you're up for it. Cheers for now, and thanks for watching.